Best Hardshell Jacket for outdoor adventures this season. Hardshell jackets offer excellent protection against harsh weather. They are essential for hiking, skiing, or any outdoor activity. These jackets are designed to keep you dry and comfortable. Their durable material blocks wind and rain, making them perfect for unpredictable climates. List number 1. Donny Andy Men's 3L Hardshell Full Zip Jacket Coat for hiking. Discover the perfect jacket for outdoor adventures. The Little Donny Andy Men's 3L Hardshell Coat is ideal for hiking and climbing. It offers reliable protection against rain and wind. Lightweight design ensures comfort during long treks. Breathable fabric keeps you dry and cool. Black XL size fits perfectly for extra warmth and style. Advantages: stay dry in any weather. The jacket is waterproof design hardshells. Protect us against harsh winds effortlessly. Windproof material keeps you warm. List number 2. Team Hardshell Waterproof and Windproof Hooded Jacket X Large. Experience unbeatable protection with the KTM Team Hardshell Waterproof and Windproof Hooded Jacket. Engineered to shield against harsh weather, this jacket ensures comfort and rain and wind. Its durable design features a snug hood, providing extra warmth and coverage. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, it combines style with practical functionality. Enjoy freedom of movement with its tailored fit, perfect for any adventure. Advantages: stay dry during rain with this waterproof jacket. Perfect for unpredictable weather. Windproof material keeps you warm on chilly days. Ideal for outdoor adventures. Adjustable hood offers extra protection. Shields your face from wind and rain. List number 3. Pass Men's Waterproof AscentShell Hardshell Jacket, Night Ride, Large. Experience ultimate comfort with the Pass Men's Waterproof AscentShell Hardshell Jacket. Designed for the night ride, it offers excellent visibility. The jacket features a durable, waterproof shell to keep you dry in wet conditions. Large size ensures a comfortable fit for most body types. Perfect for sizes seeking both style and functionality. Advantages: stay dry in any weather with this waterproof jacket. Its durable hardshell design protects us against wind and rain. Reflective assistance enhance safety during nighttime rides. Be seen easily. List number 4. 1.11 Tactical Men's 5 and 1 Jacket 2.0. Experience versatile style with the 5.11 Tactical Men's 5 and 1 Jacket 2.0. Perfect for chilly weather, its hardshell design offers reliable warmth and durability. The dark navy color adds a sleek, professional look, suitable for any occasion. Made from 100% polyester, this jacket ensures comfort and easy maintenance. Ideal for outdoor adventures or everyday wear. Available in X large for a perfect fit. Advantages: exceptional versatility with 5 and 1 design for various weather conditions. Stay prepared. Durable polyester hardshell offers excellent protection against harsh elements. Feel secure.
List number 5. Carinthia PRG 2.0 Jacket Breathable Outdoor Rain Jacket. Experience the perfect blend of comfort and protection with the Carinthia PRG 2.0 Jacket. This outdoor rain jacket is both waterproof and windproof, ensuring you stay dry in any weather. Its breathable design prevents overheating, making it ideal for active adventures. Crafted with durable hardshell material, this jacket withstands tough outdoor conditions. Ideal for hiking, camping, or daily wear, it offers reliable performance and style. Stay prepared and comfortable with this essential addition to your outdoor gear. Advantages: Unmatched protection in harsh weather conditions. Stay dry and comfortable. Lightweight design ensures ease of movement. Perfect for outdoor adventures.